Welcome to ADR Notable. Let's take a look at one of our valuable features, the term sheet editor. Once the parties have come to an agreement, click the thumbs up button in the noteboard to accept the proposal. You're now ready to fill out your term sheet. Click the term sheet button in the navigation to open the editor. Hover over the clause button in the preamble and other terms section and choose which clauses you want to enter. The clause will then auto-populate the text box. As you can see, the agreed upon proposal accepted in the noteboard will automatically appear in the agreement section. If you type in shorthand, you can easily edit the note in the text box to match the term sheet language. Now that the editor is complete, it's time to open the term sheet template you uploaded into your library. Click on the document in My Files and download a copy of your term sheet template. Now it's time to transfer the text from your editor into your document. All you have to do is click the copy button next to each section. Simply open your downloaded document and paste the text. Go back into ADR Notable and copy the rest of the clauses you want in your term sheet. ADR Notable has taken a tedious task and minimized it to just a few clicks of a button. ADR Notable also provides a digital signature capability. All the client has to do is type in their name and click Sign. The date and time of the signature will also be recorded. If you don't have a term sheet template that you like to use, we provide one for you. Click the Print button and a filled-out term sheet will appear. In the Destination drop-down menu, you can choose to immediately print it as a PDF or save it to your computer as a PDF. Our term sheet editor is one of the many features that makes ADR Notable mediation management made easy. To learn more, visit adrnotable.com.